Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Catherine. If you don't know, today we're going to do a hair tutorial on how to get these fabulous curls. Mainly only using two products and one hair tool. So if you want to learn how to achieve this fabulous look, then just keep on watching. Today I'm going to teach you how to curl your hair using the one and only Xtava curling one, and I'm actually using a 32-inch barrel. This is how she looks. What I really love about this one, just to let you know, is it does have a black handle, and it's also like this rubbery material, so it helps you have a very good grip without getting your hands slippery. You can exchange the barrels to any side. So it brings about 5 different barrels. These are the different barrels, you can see, but you do have the 25-inch barrel. You then have the 19-inch barrel, as well as it doesn't have a number, but from the looks of it, it's actually going to be like a more of a 22-inch wand, and this would probably be about a 12-inch wand, and then a 32-inch wand, which we're going to be using today. So what's good about having your barrels be exchangeable is that you have one tool with multiple different options instead of buying different kinds of tools for different sizes. So I think this is a great item. Also, Valentine's Day is coming around the corner, so you want to give this for your girlfriends or your bestie or your girlfriend, your partner. This is actually a really good gift, and I would love it. I've had it for about 3 years, and it does the job, and it's long lasting. So when starting out, I just plugged it in, and I have it at 350 degrees. So we're going to actually section our hair in parts. However, I do want to add in a bit of some thermal protection. So I usually use IGK, but I ran out. But I can also use the Key leave-in conditioner. I kind of like this product. It's just that I feel like it makes my hair a bit greasier, if that makes sense. So I try to only use a little bit. So instead of splashing my hair directly like I would with the IGK, I'm just going to spray it at the palm of my hands. So as you can see, it's like quite heavy. So I wouldn't want it to land on my hair like that. Rub it, the palm of my hands, and just make sure I spread it out. It smells really good. It's one thing about this product that I love. It smells really good, but it makes my hair a little bit too greasy, so I don't really use it often. What you want to do is use a brush and hair clip to help part your hair. So I usually like to have my hair like right in the center. I'm going to pick up the top half, and then I'm just going to split it right at the very bottom. And usually when it comes to curling my hair, I like to have big, like natural waves, just so it doesn't look too curly, especially my hair. For those of you who don't know, is slightly textured, it's like wavy. But when I curl my hair, it stays. Like I don't have to put hairspray or anything, because the type of hair that I have, any curls holds a long time. So after that's been heating up for a while, we're just going to get